If you want to learn how to use D&D mode in OnePlus 13, you can follow my guide right here on how you can use all of the settings for D&D. So first of all, you need to open a settings on your device, scroll down and enter sounds and vibration. Now inside you'll be able to find do not disturb mode. You can select it like that, and then it will reveal all of the options included. We can activate or deactivate our do not disturb mode. Let me turn it off in this case and then adjust the rest of the settings. You can silence media when do not disturb mode is on. So for example, if you're listening to music and your do not disturb mode starts, for example, with the help of a schedule that I will explain in the moment, it will stop that music, and you can turn it on or off. Schedules allow you to customize a time where do not disturb mode will be active automatically. You can click on this plus button to create that schedule, or for example, you can use a preset one, which is sleeping. It activates do not disturb mode from 22 to 7 at morning. Then we can make exceptions for our do not disturb mode, which allows you to add specific, for example, contacts to call you and bypass do not disturb mode. And you can click on that like this to select none, which makes nobody will be able to actually, they will be able to reach you, but your do not disturb mode will mute those calls. And there's everyone. You can also set it to contacts or favorite contacts. Apps allows you to pick a certain apps that can send you notifications. Pick whichever one you like. And also last option is ring for repeated calls. So if somebody really tries to reach you and called you 3 times or 2 times actually, after a second call, your phone will ring automatically when this option is active. So this is basically everything you should know about do not disturb mode. Or actually, one more thing I'm gonna tell you is that you can activate your do not disturb mode with quick access panel. Just swipe down and look for do not disturb mode, and it should be right here in some of the icons. If you don't have it, as you can see for me, it's not here. You can click on edit panel and then find that do not disturb mode icon. Okay, so I think it's just called bedtime mode, as the UI on this phone is kind of weird sometimes. But anyway, if you add a bedtime mode, you can click on it to activate your do not disturb mode, and that is everything.